Hello friends, welcome back. This is the second video on Google AI Studio. In our last video, I tried to show you how easily we can do vibe coding and create games using Google AI Studio and Gemini 3 model. Now I'll be exploring this Nano Banana model or the Nano Banana Pro, which is the newer, and we'll see how easily we can generate images. So I'll be creating an image for my YouTube thumbnail. So for that, I have this prompt here. So I used basically ChatGPT, which I use very often. So I said create an eye-catching YouTube video title for topic and generate image using Google AI Studio and Nano Banana. So it gave me these topics. So I will choose one of these topics. Say, let's see which one is the good one. Create stunning AI images with Google AI Studio Nano Banana complete guide. Google AI Studio Nano Banana image generation magic in minutes. Step by step tutorial Nano Banana AI creation made easy with AI image creation made easy with Google AI Studio plus Nano Banana. I think I'll use this one. This one I liked. AI image creation made easy with Google AI Studio plus Nano Banana. Now I need another prompt with which I can build the image in Google AI Studio. So I'll ask ChatGPT to give that prompt. So generate a prompt to create an eye-catching thumbnail for YouTube video. Say YouTube video with title. So I'll give this title and I'll ask ChatGPT to generate the prompt. So here it has given the prompt and I'll use this prompt. Now see, I'll go to Google AI Studio. I'll choose Nano Banana Pro and then wow, I cannot use Nano Banana Pro. Looks like it says link a paid API key to access Nano Banana Pro. Link API key, I do not have it, I cannot use it. So what I'll do, I'll see if I can use Nano Banana instead. Right, Gemini 3, and then I'll ask it image. If I do image Nano Banana, so I have Nano Banana. If you see, Nano Banana Pro is new, which need an API key, but I think I can use Nano Banana. So what I did, I came to a image generation, and then we have all these models. Imagen for Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro. I chose Nano Banana, and then here I'll give my prompt and I will run this one and see what happens. So it's generating the YouTube thumbnail, and wow, it has generated the thumbnail. AI image creation made easy. uh, I didn't like it actually. I'll ask it to change the image to show more vibrant color and use the image size which will fit YouTube thumbnail. And let's see if it can. So I actually do not need to use this prompt saying nano banana. That's why it has created a banana out of it, which I don't want. It doesn't look good. It has not changed anything, so I'm not sure. Let me check the prompt if I can change the prompt. uh, I need to say nano banana model. Okay, let me revise this prompt. Generate a prompt to create eye-catching high-resolution thumbnail for a YouTube video with the title AI image creation made easy plus nano banana model. Do not uh, make sure to generate the image with proper size so it can fit YouTube thumbnail. That's okay. I'm good. Let's see. Okay, let's see. I'll try this one and I'll see if this makes anything better. So again, I gave the new prompt. It is generating very fast. I have another tool which I use to generate YouTube videos. So this is how AI image creation made easy, Google AI Studio plus Nano Banana model. Uh, I'm still not satisfied. What I'll do, I generally use another tool to create images, and that tool basically use Nano Banana. You see, it also use Nano Banana Pro, and I'll try to see if I can use this tool to generate and what this tool generates. So this is lavard.ai. This is where I generate images, and it is behind, means this tool also behind the scene use Nano Banana, but it use maybe some other prompts, means I don't know, like how it use, but this tool generates much better quality images which I didn't see in Google AI Studio. So let's see. It takes some time. That's what I was amazed. Like Google Studio was much faster to generate, and you see this image is much better than what uh, Google AI Studio generated. I'll probably use this studio in this image in my YouTube thumbnail rather what I saw in Google AI Studio. So this is what what AI has generated, and this is what Google AI Studio has generated. Uh, and I really didn't like this image. And after saying everything, it couldn't keep the size of the image proper for the thumbnail. So yeah, I'm not fully satisfied, but yeah, means Nano Banana can generate an image easily, and we have seen that. So overall, it's okay, but still, it's not up to the mark, at least for me, where I see similar uh, thing can be generated in much better way. And yeah, I'll still go with Lavart AI rather than Google AI Studio for image generation. So this was the video. I was trying to explore Google AI Studio for image generation. If you know a better way to generate better images using prompts, let me know in comments. I'll try that. Probably I'll do another video to see if that make things any better. So for now, this is it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please stay with me, and we'll keep coming with new videos. We'll exploring Google AI Studios more in depth. We'll be doing real vibe coding soon in Google AI Studios, where we'll be writing programs. So stay tuned for that. Next video will be coming with vibe coding. Thank you. Stay safe.